Welcome back to Upscale with Agentforce in Agentic Era. In this episode, we will going to see how to build agent actions using prompt builder. We already covered prompt builders in depth earlier, so only we are going to say how we are going to trigger it in agent action. This episode is short, practical, and demo focused. My name is Mohit Peshwani. I am a certified Salesforce professional, also IBM certified data analyst. Currently, I am pursuing my masters in data proficiency. Let's continue. Prompt builder, you already see it. Next, we already learned prompt builder earlier. Now think of prompt builder as an action engine for agent. Agent can directly run prompt builder as action. Here's what happened. The agent call and prompt builder. Okay. The template receives context data. The AI generates an output. That output becomes the result of the agent action. This pattern is very common for summaries, drafting emails, field, field generation, knowledge base actions. So prompt builder is not only for the UI usage, it's also powered agent actions behind the scene. Pro, uh, let's consider why combining both of them will be worth. Let's combine both. Prompt builder generates text, summarize, draft knowledge articles very well. Flow actions are good for trade operations, doing some actions outside of like sending emails, triggering HTTP callouts. We know nowadays we can trigger outside of it as well using flows. If context is required, the agent should run prompt builder. If operation is required, flow action. In many cases, both are used in a chain of thoughts technique which we already learned. The agent decides which action to trigger and when. This is full functional orchestration model we can achieve. Now let's demonstrate pattern and see how it works. When a user sends a prompt, first agent understands the topic, instruction, then decide what kind of action is needed. If user needs a summary or draft, agent should run prompt builder. If user sends an operation like creating or updating the agent, sometimes both are useful together. That's called agent is the decision maker in the middle. Let's see how we are going to use prompts in the flow. Now here, since I already created a prompt, if you remember, I remember one thing. Let's go to the agent, deactivate the agent. Let's see. I'm going here. Let's try to create prompt builder. Lead summary prompt. Now the lead is already created as we know, correct? To summarize the prompt, summarizing on point summary is on point summaries in progress. Summaries in progress. Having the input of current lead. We can do this, show this on prompt. This is it. This action has been added. Okay. Now this action has been added. We will activate the flow and ignore it. For now, let's go to the lead. I'm going to the lead. Since we are already seeing it here, I try clicking here. Let's clear the cache and history. I hope agent has been activated now. Summarize this lead. This action will trigger on point summary process. See, this is the action which we are trying to get, and description if we see in the left. In this way we can use summarizing the lead using prompt builder, context behavior driven using flows. The best approach. Thanks for watching.